Hello students, in the last class we started our unit. What is the name of the unit? The name of the unit is Nature's Plenty. So today we are starting our first chapter. What is the chapter? The chapter's name is How Far is the River? How far is the river? This is a story written by Ruskin Bond, famous Indian English writer. So this story is about a boy who wished to see a river, and he started his journey to find out the river. You may think, can't he see the river from his home? No. He can't see the river from home. Why? The first paragraph itself gives you the answer. Before going to the chapter, I wish to tell you something. Like in the last year in 6th standard, after reading a paragraph, I will give you some words to look up the meaning from dictionary. And if there is any word in glossary, you just mark it as G on the margin and write both English and Malayalam meanings. Understand? So you have to look up the dictionary, you have to look up the glossary. So let's start our chapter. How far is the river? Ruskin Bond. Between the boy and the river stood a mountain. The boy was young and the river was small, but the mountain was big. The thickly forested mountain hid the river, but the boy knew it was there. He had never seen the river with his own eyes, but from the villagers he had heard of it, of the fish in its waters and of its rocks. He wished to touch the water and know it personally. He stood in front of his house on the hill opposite the mountain and gazed across the valley, dreaming of the river. He was about 12 years old, a sturdy boy with untidy black hair and shining black eyes. He had fine features and a clear brown skin, but his hands and feet were rough and scratched. He was barefooted, not because he couldn't afford shoes, but because he liked the feel of warm stones and cool grass. It was 11 o'clock, and he knew his parents wouldn't return home till evening. There was a loaf of bread he could take with him, and on the way he might find some fruits. Here was the opportunity he had waited for. His mother and father had gone to visit relatives for the entire day and had left him on his own. If he came home before dark, before they returned, they wouldn't know where he had been. He went into the house and wrapped the loaf in a newspaper. Then he closed all the doors and windows. So, this is the starting paragraphs. So now I will give you the words which you have to find out. I will paste that words with this video. And moreover that, you have to find out some answers for these questions. These are the questions, and you write the questions and write the answers. If you want to find out the answer, you can go through the textbook, and answer is there in the textbook. And one more task is there for you. Here is a picture. This is a first picture of the boy, and he is standing in front of a hill. What will be his thoughts? Just find out and write in your notebook and send me. So 3 tasks: finding out the meaning of words, finding out the answers for these questions, and writing the thoughts of the boy. So that's all for today's class. Goodbye and see you.